This is the medium-size model, which comes with a 3 kilowatt motor and a 420mm blade, allowing cuts to a depth of 170mm. With the standard model, the miter horizontal range is from 45 degrees to -30 degrees, and with the N version, the vertical range is from 90 degrees to -45 degrees left leaning. The ZS200 is our largest heavy-duty model with a 520mm blade and a 5 kilowatt motor, with the largest cutting depth of 200mm. With the standard model, the miter horizontal range is from 45 degrees to -30 degrees, and with the N version, the vertical range is 60 degrees to -30.